Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central. In Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oostburg, or near Sheboygan, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open water.